How to determine what day you were born, part 2. This time, I will introduce you a formula for the month of January and February in leap years. D is equals to K plus M minus 2C plus Y minus 2 plus Y div 4 plus C div 4 close quantity modulo 7. You know what? Every 4 years, a leap year occurs. But not all years divisible by 100 are leap years. Example, years like 1100, 1300, 1700, 1900, 2100 are not leap years because they are not divisible by 400. And then 1600, 2000, 2400, 2800 are leap years because they are divisible by 400. In some instances, you will encounter that when we use a long method without distributing the modulo operator, k is less than 1 or negative in value. But don't worry, its corresponding days are still the same. Here's the list. 0, Sunday, -1, Saturday, and so on until -6 and Monday. Just memorize it. You will know. Example number 1. Let's compute the birthday of Hayley Williams. She was born on December 27, 1988. So, since her month is December, we will still use the old formula, even though it's leap year. Here you go. So, when you solve it, you will get Tuesday. Are you done solving? Another solution is easier. You have to distribute the modulo operator for smaller values. Still, you will get Tuesday. Example number 2, January 1, 2008. Let's use the third formula here since 2008 is a leap year and it's the month of January. So, the result is always Tuesday. Do you wonder why did you get -26 modulo 7? Because when you compute 1 minus 40 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5, you will get negative no matter what you do. But don't worry, when you mod it, it will still Tuesday. The another solution is easier. Here's what I'm talking about. If you distribute the modulo operator, you will get always positive values. So, 9 modulo 7 is equals to 2. 2 is equals to Tuesday. Same day. Did you learn anything here? So, thank you for watching.